Hello guys, welcome to the course series Public Economics, and this is Unit 9 Mechanism Design. In this video we will see about the asymmetric information, and there comes the contract theory. So what are the hidden action contracts when there is the principal and agent, and the principal don't have any proper method to supervise the agent or efforts of the agent? Then there comes this asymmetric information problem, or what are the hidden actions of the agents. So the principal wants to make sure that the agents put efforts without even the supervision of the principal. So we will understand this through one example where there is an owner who wants to start a business. So this probability of success of the business, normal probability is 0.6, and if the manager puts extra efforts, then the probability increases to 0.8. So there is a difference with effort, there is a plus 0.2% probability increases, and then there is the, so if the project got succeed, then the profit will be 60 lakh, and the salary of the normal efforts in the market is 10 lakh, and if the manager puts extra effort, then the salary goes to 15 lakh. So now this principal, the owner, has to decide whether he wants a manager with 10 lakh or 15 lakh. So expected profit in the normal probability will be 60 multiplied 0.6 probability minus 10 lakh will be the expenses or salary. So this will come around 36 lakh minus 10 lakh is 26 lakh. And with extra efforts, 60 multiplied by 0.8 minus 15 lakh. This will come around 84 minus 15, 33 lakh. So definitely there is a net increase with the extra efforts even after deducting the extra effort salary. So the owner should go with the extra effort. So here comes the second problem of asymmetric information. The owner hires a manager who is taking salary of 15 lakh. But the owner don't know whether the manager is putting extra efforts or not, because the manager always can say even after putting the extra efforts, still there is a 0.2 probability that the business or the project will fail. So the owner cannot blame the manager for the failure of the business, and he doesn't have any method to analyze whether he is putting extra efforts or not. So the solution comes under the contract theory. The owner should construct a incentive-wise contract so that the manager get incentive to work and put efforts, and manager aligns his goal with the success of the business and or the goals of the owner. So here in the market, the extra salary for efforts is 5 lakh, and probability increases is 0.2 with the extra effort. So the incentive or bonus for putting up the extra effort should be 0.2 multiply b is the bonus. This should be greater than or at least equal to this extra effort salary 5 lakh. So if we solve this equation, then b will be greater than or equal 25 lakh. So at least b should be 25 lakh, this bonus should be 25 lakh, then only the manager will put the extra efforts. Now let's see the whether what will be the full salary structure of that manager. So here comes the salary. So in case of the success of the business, S is the fixed salary plus success, total success will with efforts will be 0.8 probability multiplied by the bonus should be greater than equal to the market salary, market fixed salary with efforts. Then this gives us B, we already got 25 lakh. So S should be greater than equal 15 lakh minus 0.8 multiply 25. So this gives us 15 minus 20 is equal to minus 5 lakh. So the fixed salary of the manager should be minus 5 lakh. The fixed salary of the manager should be at least minus 5 lakh. That means this value is negative. That means the manager will give this money to the owner at the start of the business, and then there will be an incentive of 25 lakh when the business succeed. then he will receive 25 lakh. This bonus was the incentive constraint, and this fixed salary, the starting salary, was the participation constraint. The manager will decide whether he wants to participate, giving up the fixed salary of minus 5 lakh to the owner. That fulfills both the incentive constraint, this B, and the participation constraint, this S. Requires that the contract should have a negative fixed salary of minus 5 lakh and a bonus of 25 lakh or more, which will be earned with a probability of 0.8 by the extra efforts. So there comes the next topic, administrative corruption. This is also the same principal agent problem and works as the same as the on the basis of contract theory or incentive. Here the government is the principal and self-seeking officer is agent. The agent has a choice of being honest or taking a bribe. The action is hidden and the government has to incentivize the officer to be honest. So there is a probability P of discovery and conviction, fine or jail or both in case of bribe is taken. The expected earnings from honesty is only the fixed salary and nothing extra the officer will get. So the expected earnings from taking a bribe is 1 minus P, the probability of conviction, multiplied by B, where B is the bribe amount minus the expected penalty and loss of salary. So this capital P is the penalty, which is in negative value, and S is the loss of salary. This gives us a clear picture. The dependent parameters are the salary. Higher the salary, lower will be the incentive for taking the bribe because higher will be the loss of salary. And then there is the penalty. Should be high to de-incentivize taking bribes. If penalty is high, then this total loss will be greater. The probability of conviction, efficient enforcement of laws, this small p, if the conviction rate is high, then there is a less chance of taking up the bribe. Small p is high, then there are less chance of taking the bribe and more chance of being honest. So as the one Central Vigilance Commission has said, corruption is high profit, low risk business. High profit, low risk business. The high profit comes from this bribe amount and the low risk comes from the low conviction rate. The task is to make it low profit and high risk. This low profit will come from the loss and penalty. If these amounts are high, then total profit, bribe minus this loss or penalty and salary will be higher amount. This total amount will be a small amount. So low profit and high risk, the P should be, the conviction rate should be high. So he was evidently drawing from the theory of hidden action for policy guidance. So this was the contract theory, and that's it for this video guys. See you in the next video. And if you have any doubt or feedback, comment in the comment section below. And thank you guys.